we now have the international version of the Gold GT500. What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hopefully you all are having a great week so far. So I've been on a lot of collector pages, guys, and I've been seeing a lot of people have been scoring that Super Chevy pickup, the 83 Silverado, like there is no tomorrow. Like, is there really a limited amount of Supers? Because I highly doubt it. The amount of Supers that people have been finding is ridiculous, but I did trade mine away and we got the two Supers added to the collection. So like I said, we now have the international version of the Gold GT500, and now we also have the international version of the 2018. So you can see clearly on the J-hook, the international doesn't have the guaranteed for life. The back has the verbiage. I'll use this one because that one's kind of stuck in there pretty good. This one has the warning label on the back, doesn't have any Carfax, whereas if you come onto this one, it tells you the Hot Wheels torque, powerful vehicle design, blah blah blah, has the verbiage of that one. So, and that's not all, guys. We also got in the Volvo, which is right here. So check out this beauty. Been wanting this one for a long time, didn't really get a chance to trade for one. Since he threw this in there, I did hook him up on the back end, but man, that Volvo is pretty clean, guys. So we added it to the collection. I got some extra ones laying down here, and we also did another one for my Honda Civic Type R, the HKS one. I traded that away for something. I was like, you know what, let me trade this away and see what I can get for it. Of course, I let my buddy who collects the Honda Civics know first, and we worked out a deal. So with that, it is also that time yet again. We have a mail call. Now we got a box right up here. This is actually from Sergeant Mufasa, a trade that we are working out. And then another trade in the works is a package right here from Ian. So huge thanks to you both for sending these. And like I said, I am on the hunt for some cars for Sergeant Mufasa as well as Ian. I'm waiting for the list for him to send my way. That way I can start getting his box together. I sent out a couple packages this week. I still got a few more to go. So before we get to those packages, guys, here is the trade. My buddy and I traded. I gave him the Civic and I got the Cyclone. This thing is so clean, man. And every time I saw the mainline, I was like, oh, please be the Super, but it never was. So now we have it in the collection. I think it's a beautiful Super. And of course, being the Mercury Comet Cyclone, yeah, that thing is awesome. So we're going to add it somewhere up here. I got to figure out which car I'm going to swap out. I might put it in line with maybe, I don't know, maybe I will take down the BMW up there. And then he threw in some extras, guys. He knows I like internationals, so he wanted to throw in the international mainline version of the 2000 GTX, which I used to have the Super, and then I traded it away for, I can't remember what it was. But anyways, the Nissan Skyline HT 2000 GTX mainline. Very cool that he put it in the Malko protector. I love these things. So I'll be taking it out of there and putting it in the mainline collection. But this bad boy, check it out, guys. Fresh from M2. Well, not really fresh. It's been out for a minute. I have the mainline, and he hooked it up, guys. The M2 chase of the 69 Boss 429 Fanta livery. Check that out. So the mainline one I have is sitting right down here. I gotta say, the freaking chase looks better. I mean, it really does. I love all of the red accents. Even the ramp itself on the loader has red ramps. So there we go. You can see the huge difference on those. And of course, the chassis is all red, where that one is black. So we finally got this one for the collection. I think the trade was more in favor of this one versus the trade that was actually for this one. So I'm going to consider the Cyclone the extra and that the trade. So Chad, thank you so much for this one. This is a really good deal. And we've been trading a lot locally, so it's been helping out, getting some really good stuff in the collection. So with that, let's go ahead and open up the package. that we have right here. I got to find my little knife that I just love opening up. And let's go ahead and see what's inside. All right, guys. So I'm pretty sure this one is the Turtle Van. Yep, looks like I see it right here. Finally had some time to ship some cars. TMNT van and one for the track. Should be a contender. Nice. Awesome. So we got the TMNT as well as a racer. And check this out, guys. Jesse James Chevy wagon. God, that thing is so clean. Look at that. Big body Chevy on some, looks like maybe Dayton's. I'm not too sure on the wheel style, but man, that is super clean. That's awesome, dude. Thanks for this one. Nice. All right, let's see. For the track, let's see what kind of car he sent. I'm going to go ahead and guess it is a Chevy of some sort because Sergeant Mufasa does roll in the Chevy direction. Ooh, no, it is not. Uh-oh. Oh, man. Oh, yeah, this is, oh my gosh, this thing is heavy. This is an ultra hot, guys. Check this out. Metal on metal. The weight of this car is ridiculous. This season is definitely going to be tough with this one. Holy crap, that just looks fast. Let's see, how well does this thing roll? Oh, wow, that is effortless. So effortless. Uh-oh. I think this is going to be a huge, huge car to take over. Man, that is interesting. All right, so TMNT van. Here we go, guys. Gosh, man, I've been trying to catch this one. I mean, this thing is so cool. Not really big into collecting the Volkswagen drag buses anymore, but they are so freaking awesome. But this, oh yeah, that thing is cool. Love the card art, love the deco, and I'm glad they just went with more of a silhouette theme where it's just black and green. Gives it a nice comic feel. Dude, that is sweet, man. Haven't seen this in our area. Of course, these are going to be scooped up. One, because Volkswagen drag buses are hot. And two, TMNT, man. Like, who doesn't or who hasn't grown up with this? Except for, like, the new age. But, I mean, that is awesome stuff right here. Dude, thank you so much. All right, we're going to go ahead and set that over here. Throw this down there. Moving on to the next package, guys. This one is from Ian. And like I said, this is another trade in work. And I can't wait to open this up because I know what's in here. I just can't wait to showcase it to you guys. So let's go ahead and open it up and see what's inside. Oh man, here we go. Oh dude. Oh my gosh. I am so excited because he sent some pictures of some heat. And you guys know when it comes to Mustangs, oh my gosh, this is going to be a nice one. Here we go. First little bundle. I mean, this is well packaged, so I definitely appreciate you. We're going to have to open it up again. All right, guys. First bundle. I think it's the only bundle, but first one out of the box from Ian. Oh, and here we go. The Redline Fox. Nice. I do actually have this one. But man, it is good to have a second one. Check that out. Let's go ahead and see if it's a variation. I highly doubt that it is, because I don't think they had one for Redlines. But our Blue Fox is, where the heck is it? Oh, there it is right there. So there it is right here. And we have a second one. Super clean. Gosh, I love these, man. This one actually raced on the track before, so I do have a loose one somewhere in the collection. I don't think it's in the display. Maybe it is. I don't know. But we have another one right here, guys. The 84 SVO out of the Redline series, number 9 of 18. Check it out. You have the Bone Shaker Custom 56 Ford truck. You have the 70 Camaro Skyline 2000 GTR and the 69 Mercury Cyclone. Very cool. The stance of this car is really nice. Love that stance. So there's that one. But the next one, guys, oh my gosh, there's one in here. Well, actually, there's two in here that I've been dying to get my hands on. And they are very hard, guys. And check it out. Vintage Racing Series, Hot Wheels Racing, Oh, here we go. First one is this one. I can't believe I got it in the collection. Holy crap, guys. The 69 Boss 302. Gosh, man. Oh, I've been wanting this one so bad for the collection. This is actually George Falmer's legendary car right here, the number 16. Very close to Parnelli Jones. And we do have one, but it's not this original one. It is loose. It was a wheel swap by Lee Maples. We have it here, and I've always loved having that one. But getting the original one on card, guys, dude, that is awesome. This isn't even the only one out of this series that I'm excited for. This was like, oh my gosh, dude, yes. So we got this one from the Vintage Racing series. Ooh, he threw in the Parnelli. My man. Nice. Very nice. I do have one. It's actually in the Malko protector over there next to the Golf. But dude, a second one? Heck yeah, man. Parnelli Jones, baby. Dude, that is freaking sweet. Gosh, man, those are so iconic. All right, next one is the Cobra. I actually do have this one. Like I said, I mentioned to him that I still wanted to get these for the collection. Either way, I wanted them because I love stuff like this. I do have those sitting up there. One is actually a card error. It is on the 65 2+2 card, and one is on the correct one. But this is the 98 Cobra in purple. Beautiful one. But yeah, one is right here. This one's actually on the correct card. And then this one right here is on the 2+2 fastback card, which, yeah, that is so cool. I remember finding that when these first dropped. So 2012, I remember picking up both, coming home and was like, wait a minute. One says Cobra, one says 65. So I've always had that. That was probably my first error, actually, for a premium. But here we go. Number 3, man. That is, oh, that is so cool. Oh, and here we go. We have this one, but this baby right here. Gosh, man. I was actually looking on eBay for one of these, and I was really contemplating on picking one up. And then, no lie, guys, like maybe a day later, I get this email with these pictures, and I'm like, oh, what do you want for those? And I was scrolling through, and he had this one on there, and I was like, oh my gosh. There it is, out of the underdogs, the 78 Mustang 2. Look at that, guys. I mean, this thing is so freaking awesome. I don't even know how many times they've released this, but I think this is maybe the only time they have released this one. So it's funny because Contour Cars on Instagram and many other platforms, he posted the Boulevard series. This was the very first Boulevard series. Now we're used to the modern Boulevard series, but these were the OGs right here. Gosh, man, the thing is awesome. Man, look at that. Check that one off the list. And that, dude, so cool. And then he threw in the GT Concept, which I do have one of these as well. It is sitting right up here. Where are you at? There it is right there. So number 2. This is an awesome trade. And then the last one right here, guys, is the Turbo Mustang, which I don't know if you saw, I do have on pegs in the antifreeze green Spectra Frost. And it's the Hot Wheels Cool Classic, guys. Number 6 of 30. That is a beauty for sure. Man, that looks good. Look at that. A lot of heat in just a few castings. I'm excited. I am so excited right now. Even though I have most of these, I'm just super excited to have this one as well as this one carded. But the other ones are still super bonus right there. And then last one. Oh, man. This is an M2, guys. And you all know how I am with M2s. I'm a fanboy when it comes to M2s. Oh man, you guys ready? I know I am. Oh, I can see it already. Yes, dude. Oh, that is awesome. Check out this chase piece, guys. 1966. 2+2 in a brown metallic. Look at that beauty. Man, that is nice. That is so nice. Jeez, dude. Gosh, man, thank you so much for this trade. Oh, man. Like I said, send your list over of cars that you're looking for, and I am definitely going to be on the lookout. I'm going to dig through my collection if I have what you have on your list. Oh, yeah. This is nice. So that was all from the box. Just want to make sure before I go toss this thing. So here we go, guys. I mean, we got a 124 scale M2 of the 66 Fastback. We got the 98 Cobra out of the Muscle Series, 2012 Vintage Racing, Parnelli Jones. We also have the George Foreman 69 Boss 302, 84 SVO back-to-back with a Turbo Mustang, which I think that's a 79. Could be wrong, but I think that's a 79 Turbo. And then we got the 2005 Concept, as well as the 78 Mustang 2. Gosh, guys, a lot of Mustangs added to the collection. We got the Volkswagen van right here from Sergeant Mufasa, a racer. M2 Chase of the 69. We got the Mercury Cyclone Super and an International Mainline as an extra. So that is what we got. That was our latest and greatest trade. I mean, you guys let me know down in the comments what your thoughts were of anything we showcased in this package, Sergeant Mufasa, or our local trade. And just let me know. If you think the Honda Civic Type R for this was a good trade, give this video a thumbs up, and of course, hopefully you enjoyed it. If you did, be sure to subscribe to the channel if you haven't, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can stay tuned for all of our future videos. So with that, guys, huge thanks to Sergeant Mufasa and Ian for this trade, and yeah, stay tuned for our next episode, which will probably be later on this week. And until next time, this is the Mustang Hunter. Peace.